Hi everybody. In this lesson, I will talk about Lambda and anonymous function in Kotlin. Now you create a new project with default function main, and now I can show you about the first is a function. It is a normal function. The normal function has a function name, has an input parameter, and has a return value. For example, to zoom to the double, we have this function, and it is a very regular function. Then if you want to print out, you can call the function name, and the input is to double, and then run. You can see that okay, and run. So this is the sum or the return value of x plus y. So you can comment this, and if you do not want, you can use this. And this is a lambda function. The lambda function has this is a lambda function, and the lambda function has x and y is the input parameter, and the zero, and after zero we have the implementation of the lambda function. And on the lambda function is like an arrow function. The function, the parameter in the left, and the implementation in the right. Okay, so we have the value similarly to the regular function. And you can also define the lambda function here using the value of the variable sum. Sum now is a variable, and we have the type, the variable point to the function, and the type is double, and we have the implementation and the input here. Means that you separate the type of the input output to the left, and it is also the lambda function. Then the value will be the same as the previous. Okay, and what about the anonymous function? The anonymous function is a function that have no name. So it has no name, do not have any name here, only have the input parameter and the return value. So this is a no name, means that no name. Okay, so you can access it by defining a variable or point to the function. So the variable is sum, var sum is equal to fun, and the implementation of the function. Okay, and then you can run again and see that the value not changed, the value as you use it in the regular function. And you also define an anonymous function with the return value. Means that inside this I have to do some tasks and print to the screen, not return value. So inside this I print out that it is anonymous function and hello blah blah. So you can add the say hello is a variable point to this function, and you call to this like you call a regular function, and right click and run. And this is like the regular function, you call by calling the variable point to the function and the input parameter. So if we have an array, of double, and inside this I call the double array to create an array. So I can for each. So inside the for each we have a lambda function inside it we have lambda function, and I can add a lambda function for doing some of the tasks inside this. So the parameter is x number, and the x number is the input parameter of a lambda function, and the right of the zero is the implementation of lambda function. So I print now that I print x number, and then run. So we have here, okay, hello Huang, and we have some of the value of the tuple inside the array. So using the for each and add the lambda inside this,